So do you think AI can replace allopathic doctors?
So I think it will complement the allopathic doctors rather than replacing them, them as a whole.
Oh.
Because in medical field, the human component cannot be replaced because if I give an example, the breaking of bad news to the relatives of the patient or to the patient himself requires a human component in that region.
वो तो डायग्नोसिस का एरिया नहीं है ना. क्या क्योर में, प्रिवेंशन में, डायग्नोसिस में कर सकते हैं रिप्लेस?
सर
लोग रख लेंगे खबर देने के लिए, तो डॉक्टर्स को डर है.
Sir, I do not think because the fine skilling which develops with respect to long practice.
This is what AI is doing now. Whatever long practice experience it is getting in 2 years, 1 year. Experienced coders are being replaced. फिर यही तो एडवांटेज है एक. जितना हमने सालों में सीखा है वो 10 महीने में, 5 महीने में सीख लेता है. और इक्वली गुड है भाई. कैसे जस्टिफाई करेंगे?
Because life is involved in terms of medical treatment, so that cannot be wholly replaced, wholly be given to the machines, but they can take a decisions for which there would not be exact accountability about the negligence or ethical component in the treatment. So I do not think AI will fully replace us.